Hey y'all! I want to show y'all how to achieve this curly flip over quick weave featuring my CurlsQueen bundles. These bundles are super voluminous and so easy to blend with your natural hair. I only needed to use 2 bundles. I also have this brush and some other goodies that we'll use later. But first, I parted off the front of my hair. Please do not mind the conditioner, but yeah. Section off the front section. It doesn't have to be a lot of hair, just enough to cover the tracks. In the back, I just put my hair in braids, and that's going to go under the cap. This is the cap I chose to use, and then I'm going to go in with some of this quick weave cap protector and also some hairspray. You'll see what I do with that in a minute. And I'm also going to try some wrap strips as well, and you'll see what I do with that. First, I went in with the hairspray as a layer of protection on the back of my head. Then I went and placed 2 wrap strips on the back of my hair as an extra layer of protection because I noticed sometimes I do get a lot of glue on this part of my hair. These were easy to put on, just tie them in the back. Then I went in with some of that liquid cap just to help hold down the wrap strips. Make sure you let the liquid dry before going to the next step. Next, I put on my wig cap. The wig cap, along with the liquid cap stuff right here, this will help the wig cap to stay down and actually stick to your head. And when you go sit up under the dryer or use a blow dryer or whatever, this will help as well. I always make sure to go in with another layer of hairspray. This hairspray I found has really helped the cap to stick and also protect my hair as well. And I'm not saying you have to get this specific hairspray, just any hairspray. I sat under the dryer for 15 minutes just to make sure the liquid cap was rock hard. Now for the easy part. Go in with your CurlsQueen bundles and you're going to measure the bundles to the back of your head. I try to do ear to ear and make sure that the back of my head is covered. After I measure the hair, where my finger is, that's where you're going to cut. The process is literally that easy and super repetitive. Now I'm going to go in with my hair glue and make sure you put a great amount of glue on your tracks, y'all. You do not want your tracks slipping. I promise you, I've been there and done that, and you do not want that. And now you're just going to place the track where you measured out the first time. I repeat, do not skip this next step. You want to go in with some type of blow dryer, sit under the dryer, something to make sure that those tracks stick to your head. Because if not, it is all going to come apart. I promise you, I have been there, y'all. I make sure to press down each track while blow drying. I did this step a few times, and this is how it looked in the back, y'all. This is one bundle, and the hair already looks super full. These are my results after all the tracks have been put in my hair. Now I'm going to go in and work on my leave out. I just had it braided in the front, and I'm going to go in and take it down. The key to a good blend with the quick weave is to make sure there is as less leave out as possible. The less you leave out, the less you have to worry about blending. I went in and wet the bundles as well, and also my leave out. Now this is the first step I did. I didn't really like this step, but I'll show you the second one in a minute. I went in with some mousse on my leave out and I made sure to coat it very, very well. And then I went in with the brush that CurlsQueen sent me in the box, y'all. They have everything that you need for this install. I went in and brushed my leave out. As you can see, I have some damage in the front, but I tried to get as much curl out of the hair as possible. Then I went in with these orange flexi rods that I had, and I took small sections of my leave out and curled it with small pieces of the bundle. I continued this whole process until I had taken care of every piece of hair in the front, and after that I made sure to sit under the dryer for a little bit and then let the rest dry overnight. For me, I don't recommend this method. I learned that the hard way because I had to redo it, but for some this may work for you. So just continue to grab a small piece of the bundle and then grab some of your leave out and wrap it around. I tried to wrap it around as tight as I could without it being uncomfortable as well. I twisted my hair and then I ended up going to sleep, y'all. Okay, y'all, so update. It's been a few days. I ended up cutting it, as you can see. And instead of doing the flexi rods for the leave out, I twisted the leave out and intertwined it with the curly hair using this right here. Only this. And then, since it was still a little bit damp, I went in with the blow dryer just a little bit. I'm gonna take it down, show y'all how it looks taken down, and then I'm gonna go finish getting ready and show you the final result. But yeah, it dried really well. I think trimming it made it look better because it was cute long, but I feel like curly hair, me personally, I like the shorter look, especially with the flip over quick weave. But yeah, as you can see, very juicy. This was only water. I only sprayed the curly hair with water and went in with a curly brush, twisted it, let it dry, leave out with the gel, and then yeah, I'm gonna take it down for y'all.